Alright, so welcome guys to another unboxing, and today we have a budget security camera. So this around $20, so more in the budget space, and it's actually amazing that you can get a security camera for that price now. And this can also connect wirelessly, and you can check this with your phone. So this is from Xiaomi. This is the Mi Home security camera 1080p magnetic mount as well. So it says 1080p high definition, so really amazing that you're getting 1080p as well. 170 ultra wide angle, 170 degrees here, infrared night vision, IP65 waterproof. So I'm not sure why you want waterproof in this, but definitely interesting. Mi Home security camera 1080p model, micro SD card as well. It's opening it up. So I actually have already security camera here, but I wanted to add one more. So this is just a personal buy here, of course. I bought this with my own money. So we're gonna check out what is inside the box, and maybe give you guys an initial impression as well in the performance. So this is not gonna be a full review, more of an unboxing experience, guys. So this is what you're gonna get in the box. So actually pretty nicely packaged for a budget pair here. I'm getting a cable, and yeah, the cable feels good in this. So you're getting cable, and it's rubber as well, so it's kind of like an Apple-esque cable here. Yeah, it feels good in the hand. That's really cool for the price that you're paying for. And you're getting that maybe stand here, and maybe this is the magnet that you're getting. It's made of plastic, but feels really good in the hand. All right, and it has some weight to it as well. And this is now your camera. And actually, the unboxing experience maybe reminds me of the Google Home. So yeah, we have a Google Home here at our house, and the build quality, the looks itself, really reminds me of the Google Home. And this is the camera itself. So again, it's made of mostly plastic, but it does feel good in the hand. It has some weight to it. So I actually got this from the Mi store directly. So I'm pretty sure that this is gonna be an original center area for installing the base. So this might be where this is gonna go. There you go. You have a magnetic thing going on. There you go. So that's actually pretty cool. And you're getting that camera, and this is your unboxing. There you go. This does look nice for a $20 camera. At the back, you're getting maybe some exhaust here, and you're also getting that USB-C or micro USB. So you need to plug this in, so maybe a charger. So no charger included in the box here, so that's one downside, guys. So do consider that you need to get a charger and getting some manuals as well, really a thick one as well. So yeah, do consider that you need to have a charger at your home before you get this. So looking at the magnetic thing, there you go. So this is gonna be your look, and yeah, again, looks nice for me overall in this. So this is what it's gonna look like on your table, and you can rotate as well as you please because it's a magnetic thing going on. So yeah, that's cool. So on your table, you might want to maybe go it's facing up, and you might want to go facing down if you're putting this maybe on top of your PC. So that's actually quite cool. Now let's try this up, plug this in, check out how this performs. Alright, so we now installed the Mi Home camera, and actually it works like a charm. So it's very easy to install. You just need to put the QR code from your phone in front of the camera, and it detects the camera right away. And now we are connected, and actually you can call as well. And yeah, the image is quite clear for me. 1080p maybe, so from what I am seeing. It can cover our whole living room, so it's 170 degrees as well. So I do recommend you guys to put this on the corner of a room. Yeah, the 170 degrees covers most of the room here. So of course, I angled it a bit so you won't see our house, but it works like a charm. So I just would like to show you guys that it works here, and this is the app as well. So I'm now connected to the phone, and this is the live feed that we are seeing. So of course you can call, you can also hear what the webcam is hearing, and can actually put sleep as well. And also it supports micro SD as well. So it will record for you, until your SD card is full as well. So what are my thoughts on this? I think it's pretty much worth it. So for the $20 price range for 1,000 pesos, you're getting a nicely built camera, and that really looks nice as well. So the unboxing experience is pretty solid for the price that you're paying for. The app works fine. It connects right away without any issues. And yeah, you can call as well. The live feed is pretty clear. You have a micro SD as well. So yeah, I think it's a pretty solid kit for $20. And you can, of course, because of that magnet, angle the head as well. So yeah, I think pretty much worth the price that you're paying for. I think it will be a solid, a webcam or security cam for those starting out as an entry level. If you have a small room, condominium, this can work fine. So actually in our house, we have a pretty good size house. It can cover the whole living room here. So we might get maybe 2 more of these to cover more rooms in our house. So maybe one downside is you cannot rotate. So it will depend on your house format here. So for a square, kind of house, this will work fine. But of course, if you, want utmost control with this, there's a 360 version of this that you can move the head to your liking. So that might be cool for you. But I think for our house, stationary would work fine. So yeah, this performs like a CCTV in a way. Usually CCTVs, you cannot really move the head around, so it performs like that. And I think for $20 for 1,000 pesos, it is worth the price that you are paying for. So that's our check with the Mi security app. Of course, if you learn something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Of course, I'm gonna use this more, and if you have some questions, I'm gonna give you guys some feedback down in the comments below. Ask me some questions and I'm gonna try to answer as much as I can on my experience on this on a daily. But yes, I am quite pleased so far with this. Of course, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next Vault unboxing. Goodbye.